Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to add admins on Facebook page. Now it's an extremely easy process. So firstly what you do is just simply open your Facebook application, then click on the three lines at the top right. Now just simply click on professional dashboard. Now over here just simply scroll down a little bit, then click on see more, and over here you'll find the option of page access. Click on that. Now over here you'll have all the access that you want to give. So if you want to give admin access, you can obviously do that. I click on the first option where it is written people with Facebook access. Click on add new, then add the person by click on next, then simply enter the email address over here, then just simply select the person. Now over here you will be able to give the entire Facebook access if you want to, if you enable this option right over here, and then just simply click on give access. But if you want to give a certain part of access on your page, you can also do that by going to people with task access. Click on that, then next, then enter the name of the person, then choose the person, and over here you will be able to give the access of particular things like inside, ads, content, or any single individual. Like for example, ad. Only you want to give the access to insights and ads, and then click on give access, and this person will have the access. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like subscribe to our channel and